Let's talk about the frame box. So basically it's a frame where you can have everything inside it, like the command button, the labels, everything, the text boxes. So we are using an option box here. The first option box, the second option box, the third one, and the fourth one. I'm not changing the size. I've already talked about the size in my previous videos. So I'm just changing the name of the option boxes here. Go to caption. We are writing percentage here, okay? 90%. You can change the fonts. From here I've already said in my previous videos. Okay, so caption 80%, 70%, and 60%. Okay, I'm moving it a bit. Sorry, I just misclicked on it. I wanted it to move here. Okay, let's make it a little bit smaller. Okay, I actually need a space here and here. So we're having two buttons. One is click and the other one is exit. Okay, we are having a label this time to show our text. Previously we used to use the text boxes. Now we are using a label. So we are just clearing everything out. And I'm actually making its size a little bit larger because we wanted our output. Okay, make it bold, maybe 24, 24. Okay, let's see how it looks. And caption we wrote, oh, okay, it's fine, it will do our job. Okay, I made a little bit larger. Let's make it. Okay, now it looks good. Okay, let's name this command button as click. Sorry, and exit. Now all the coding will be here. I mean, sorry, in the command buttons. Neither here nor here. It will be all in the click button. So inside click, let me tell you what we are trying to do. If we choose this option, it's gonna show there's some output in this level box, and if we choose this one, it's gonna show some other output. When we choose this and then click on this button, it's gonna show the output basically. And with this frame thing, we can make groups, like we can have another frame somewhere here, and we can use some other kind of stuffs. So we are just making two groups. You can just take this checkbox, right? You can have a checkbox, but I'll show you in my later videos about these checkboxes. So let's stick with the option button this time. Let's write all of our codes in click button if option one dot. Okay, so this one is option 1, this is option 2, this is option 3, this is option 4, this is command 1, and this is label 1. Okay, so if option 1 dot value is equals to true, then basically what it means is if this is chosen, if it is option 1 and if it is checked, which means its value is 1. Sorry, my bad. I just clicked on this older form. Okay, so if option 1 dot value is equals to true, which means if it is checked, then label, which is this label 1, label 1 dot caption is equals to the grade is A and F. So you remember when we used to take this text box, we're gonna write text in it, text, but here in label we are having caption. So remember that if you take a text box, text one, then it will be text instead of caption. Okay, now if option 2 dot value is equals to true, then label dot caption is equals to the grade is B, and if option 3 dot value is equals to true, okay, here is spelling mistake. How are you gonna know that you have some mistake? When we write is equals to, then it's gonna show something like this, a drop down menu, which were not showing, so I just realized that I did some mistake. True. And maybe after writing T you can just press tab and it's gonna write it for you. You don't need to even write it. Then label 1 dot caption is equals to the grade is C. Last one, if option 4 dot value is equals to, nah, it's for true. True. Then label 1 dot caption is equals to the grade is D. Technically 60% is not D, but for the sake of this video we are writing it. Okay, I forgot to write NLF here. Okay, I've already shown how to make this exit button beautiful in this older video. This one, you can use this, or you can just simply write exit, I mean end. Okay, now there is a problem, which is I already told that yeah, it will be maximized, this one, but there's another problem. Let me run this for you and then I'll say what the problem is. Let's run it. Okay, go to project and then project one properties, and here in startup object we have form1 selected, which means if we run the program it's gonna run the form1, but we are working in form7, so we're gonna choose form7 from here and then press OK. After that run the program and it's gonna run our program. Okay, why it's not maximized? Okay, it's form7. We're gonna terminate the running thing so we can edit this. Okay, now run it. It's maximized, but see, it's by default checked. That's the problem I was talking about. I don't want it to be checked, so to make it unchecked we're gonna double click and click, obviously, No, for that we're gonna double click in form, and inside here we're gonna write some codes. Option 1 dot value is equals to false. Option 2 dot value is equals to option optin 2 dot value is equals to false. Option 3 dot value is equals to false, and option 4 dot value is equals to false. Now run this. Nothing is checked. We checked 90. The grade is A. Okay, level 1. Level 1. The grade is B. The grade is C. The grade is D. Exit. We are done. Okay, see you in the next one.